Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the internship program provided by the one of the multinational organization. And friend, the company name is the IBM. And friend, it has a very big name in the IT segments. And friend, if you don't know about the IBM, you can see here it stands for International Business Machine Corporation, and it has also nickname that is a Big Blue. And friend, it is an American multinational technology company having headquartered in New York. And friend, this company present around 175 plus countries across the world. So friend, it is a very big organization and it is a very good opportunity for you for to take the internship in this organization. And friend, we are going to check the all the details, what types of things you will learn, what is the eligibility criteria, and how you need to apply. So please watch the video complete. So you can see here we are at the official page or career page of the IBM. And friend, once you scroll down, then you can see here various types of filters are given. On the left hand side you can see for the experience level, then you can see for the location different countries are given, like you can see India, Japan, United States, Mexico. So multiple you can see countries are given here, and you have to take the filters and accordingly you will get the results. So you can see here currently we have selected the you can see here on the left hand side filter, that is internship, and on the location we have selected the India. And you can see on the right hand side the result is present, that is a intern product manager. So you have to simply click on that, and once you click, then this type of page will appear. So you can see intern product manager. So you can see here the location available for these internships are Bangalore, Ahmedabad and Kochi. So you can see here on the left hand side the introduction regarding the company is given, and you can see IBM software invites application for internship in product management at IBM India software labs in Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Kochi. And friend, product management is a very demanding field and it is provided by the you can see IBM. So you will get the very good knowledge and very good content here. So you can see roles and responsibilities are given. You can see as an intern product manager, you will own outcomes that includes support product managers in day-to-day and strategic management of product, then define and execute product strategy. Then you can see bring products to life through the entire product life cycle. Then support sales and marketing. You have to collaborate with the cross-functional teams to develop and execute the technical roadmap. Then identify and address customer needs. Then you can see track product performance, stay up to date on the industry trend and best practices. Then you can see the qualification requirement is given, that is a bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. So you can see also you should pursue an MBA course from a business school, and you should have an understanding of product roadmap and into life cycle, release cadence and support, and you have a very deep passion for innovation and creating data backed solutions. So friend, it is a very big organization and MNC, so you have the proper knowledge and skills so that your chances will increase. So you can see here prefer technical and professional expertise. So friend, you can see this is not mandatory, they have given on that is the candidates who have this experience will be preferred first. So you can see here 6 months to 1 year exposure to you can see enterprise agile planning, then portfolio management. You can see you know about the Atlassian's Jira software, which Jira software basically used for the project management, and the for the Scrum Masters for the development of software projects. Then you can see you have to 1 to 2 years of technology industry experience and some experience in the business analyst or product manager in any domain. So friend, you can see also you have experience in customer driven usability. So friend, these are the requirement is given. So if you eligible for this, so please apply. So how you will apply, we will discuss later. And friend, if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunities and technology related videos. So please subscribe. It will motivate us to create a more content for you. And friend, please also explore our channel. We have made the various types of content here regarding the internship. So please watch it. So friend, let's check how you need to apply. So friend, I have given the link in the video description box. Once you open, then you will come to this page. and you have to open it. And once you open, then you can see on the top apply now is given. So you have to simply click on that, and once you click friend, then this type of page will appear here. So you can see you can here write your name, last name, and a primary email. The star marked fields are mandatory, so you have to fill it. Then you have to upload here your resume in the docs or PDF with maximum size of 2 MB. And friend, please make the resume properly. There will be no spelling mistake or any types of error. And then you have to select your experience level. Then you have to select your area of interest, like cloud consulting, data analytics, then project management, research, software engineering. You have to select. Then you have to select the communities of interest and primary country. So you can select according to here, and then you have to accept the terms and condition. So if you want the future job notification, then you can click on join and apply. If you don't want any notification, then you can directly click on this no thanks and continue to apply, and you will be apply for this internship of product manager, and you can apply. And friend, if you have any query regarding this internship opportunity, please comment on the video. We are going to check your queries and answer it. And friend, please subscribe in for